Good day, Miss Irene. How are you today?
Very well, Sir Madam.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Irene Tangana, 35 years old, a single mother and one kid. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I am college graduate and I have worked as domestic helper in Lebanon for 2 years and 5 months since December 2012 until May 2015. My major duties are childcare and age 5 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
I prepare meals for them, send them to the school, play with them, and read storybook for them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
My duties and responsibility in my previous employers are, when I send the children to the school, I go back to the house, I prepare the house, I clean the living room, dining room, and also I make ironing and marketing.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, Sir Madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino dish and Arabic dish, Madam.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, Sir Madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, Sir Madam.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to send my child to the school and give a better future for her. And I want also to help my parents to their daily needs.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Once again, Sir Madam, I am Irene Tangana, and I don't want to promise anything, but I do my duties and responsibilities to serve your family, and I will finish my contract and I follow your rules.
Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show your best smile.